Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya, Yatapaka, which is located in East Godavari agency area. KGBV, Yatapaka has its own significance and recognition in the entire district for its Nutri-Garden in the school premises. They are utilizing the schoolyard as a classroom. This is a great way to teach ecological literacy and respect for the earth along with the important food production skills. Nutri-gardening is a great physical development activity for children, particularly for girls. Our schoolyard is diversified and beautified, grown organically with no toxic pesticides and synthetic fertilizers. They are growing all types of vegetables and leafy vegetables in the yard. They are producing 40 to 50 kg vegetables for 10 days and using for their daily meal. The staff and the team of the students were appreciated by all the district authorities in various occasions.